Welcome all. Myself Shivshakti, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Now I am going to talk about Salesforce. In this session, briefly we see about what is Salesforce, why and Salesforce, traditional CRM versus Salesforce CRM, Salesforce as a carrier, get trained, get certified, certifications in Salesforce, deploying an app, is Salesforce easy to learn, does Salesforce require coding, advantages of Salesforce. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is an American cloud-based software company. First and foremost, Salesforce is a CRM tool. Secondly, it's a cloud applications. Their cloud-based applications for sales, service, marketing and more don't require any IT experts to set up or manage. Having one voice, one narrative and one view, using this tool helps businesses to improve their interaction with each other and at the same time improve customer experience. This is the symbol of Salesforce. Why learn Salesforce? Simple, easy learning. So we learn Salesforce. Basically, Salesforce provide more services. They are SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Normally, we called SaaS as a software as a service. In Salesforce term, we called as Salesforce as a service, customer relationship management platform and the cloud. In Salesforce, have so many advantages and easy to work because there is no special installation for Salesforce. Next, there is no separate platforms are required. There is no special hardware and special installations are required. Along with SaaS, it provides the Salesforce platform to its clients wherein they can create their own applications. This is called platform as a service. Although Salesforce earns the most by PaaS, SaaS is also used by many Fortune 500 companies. Now we compare traditional CRM versus Salesforce CRM. First, CRM is customer relationship management, the most efficient technique to create relationship among customers. We can also use the CRM software for dealing with tracking product planning, manufacturing and shipping. In traditional CRM, only hosted by company's own server, but in Salesforce, hosted on the cloud. So all of us use Salesforce CRM. Next, traditional CRM work is difficult to understand and use, but in Salesforce CRM, it's easy to understand and use. We have developed a traditional CRM takes more months and even years to set up, but in Salesforce CRM can be set up in a few days or weeks. Traditional tech requires overall higher cost, and Salesforce requires overall lower cost. Now we take Salesforce as a carrier. Salesforce is a CRM platform with at least 800 functionalities. It's an ecosystem consisting of customer management and monitoring, workflow management, collaboration, analytics, email, social media, IoT integration, as well as sales forecast and lead generation tools, among others. Salesforce is a big community helping to learn in online and grow up our career. It's a great way to start a career in the Salesforce ecosystem in India. You will learn and trial our free online self-learning platform. So also business need experts to develop, operate, customize and maintain their Salesforce software to realize goals, and the demand for skills across the globe is huge. In future means in 2022, Salesforce create 3.3 million jobs for us. Many types of Salesforce jobs are there. They are Salesforce Architect, Salesforce Consultant, and Salesforce Data Analyst, and Salesforce Architect. In Salesforce Architect is responsible for the technical design of the Salesforce systems and infrastructure for the business in Salesforce, how we get trained and how we get certified. First, we register for an online training course in Salesforce, the credible training provider. Next, consider training providers who offer simulation exercise to boost your practical skills as you learn. This can be counted as experience on your resume. Something unique about Salesforce certifications is that they are not earned in levels as in other technical certifications. This offers you the flexibility of choosing the certification training you would like to pursue based on your skills needs. You could act to learn from Trailhead, Salesforce site for people who wish to self-learn, earn certifications, and access other resources in Salesforce. This is the Trailhead platform for learning Salesforce. The fun way to learn Salesforce. The trial to reinventing your resume starts here. So great, let's go. Certifications in Salesforce. The best certifications to launch your career as a beginner is the Salesforce Certified Administrator certifications. The Salesforce Administration certification equips you with fundamental Salesforce knowledge of the Salesforce platform. You have also so many certifications in Salesforce. Administrator is the first level of the certification course in Salesforce. Another one main advantage and important thing in Salesforce is we deploying an app in our home. Salesforce, the developer isn't worried about buying and setting up the hardware, installing the software, defining users, setting up means for reporting and analytics, building security around the application, and making it mobile phone accessible and social. As with Salesforce, all of these core components come as a single package. We have our own idea, use Salesforce trials and create our own app and deploying an app in our own use. We have no worries about how to develop our business, how to develop our knowledge, how to develop our online learning system. Most of them have one question: is Salesforce easy to learn? Yes, Salesforce is easy to learn. Though Salesforce is extensive, it's not difficult to learn. If you put your mind and head into learning the Salesforce CRM and at the same time take up with this online Salesforce training course, you will be able to master Salesforce within weeks. Does Salesforce require coding? No. Salesforce does involve coding when it comes to operating around its inherent programming languages, Apex and Visual Force. But no matter, these languages resemble a great deal with Java. So if you have an understanding of Java, you will face no hurdles while mastering Salesforce. Advantages of Salesforce. Two advantages of in Salesforce as for small and large businesses is that it is hosted on the cloud. This means that minimal installation or hardware cost will be incurred in adopting the Salesforce application as a CRM tool. Next one, the software aligns with the latest and perhaps indispensable technologies including cloud computing, big data, and the Internet of Things. This makes it possible to incorporate it seamlessly into the business infrastructure. At last, we have getting experience does not necessarily mean being employed. If you already have some knowledge and Salesforce certifications, you could as well take on projects to put your skills to the test. Consider volunteering your services. Salesforce site Salesforce.org has opportunities for this task. Another option is to create apps in Salesforce to sharpen your practical knowledge as you wait for an employment opportunity. In Salesforce is a great way to start our career. Believe in yourself. There's a community which believes in you. That's a learning platform which is ready to help you. And there are 1.1 million jobs available for 2022. You have an opportunity there. So we have journey to Salesforce. Thank you.